Guys, happy Sunday everyone. This is the 9th of February 2020 and today is Sunday here in the UK, which is 12:30 in the afternoon. Sunday means roast day, so today I'm going to show you how we make a roast dinner here in the UK, which is the roast beef. So I hope you're having a good afternoon and I hope you're having a roast dinner yourself, and if you do, please comment down below later on at the end of the video and let me know how you make your roast as well. So why don't you get your pen and paper and I'll show you step by step. We're gonna sear the beef first for the roast dinner. And at the same time, we are boiling our vegetables, which is on the right, we are boiling the carrot and the parsnip, and the other one is the potatoes. After we sear the beef, we put it into the oven.
Yeah, on 190 for 20 minutes.
Right.
And then we turn it down then to 140 for an hour or so.
What kind of beef is that?
Just a joint of beef.
Right.
We're just going to seal it so it can brown the outside, so it's still tender in the middle.
Yeah.
To do get some more flavour. You see it starting to sear now.
Yeah. And then you put it in the baking pan, do you?
Yeah, then we'll put that in the roasting tin.
Right.
I think that's alright, guys.
Yeah. So after that, we'll put it now into the baking pan, and we're gonna roast it for how many degrees?
190.
190 degrees.
For 20 minutes.
Right.
And then when the potatoes are parboiled, we'll add those to the tin.
Right. So while we're waiting for our potatoes and our veg and our meat, we're gonna make a Yorkshire pudding. Wherein we're gonna put plain flour into the bowl. How much plain flour? Half a cup?
A cup.
A cup. 1 egg. And bicarbonate soda. Just a pinch. And And then we mix as well milk. Semi-skim milk, isn't it?
Doesn't matter what milk.
It doesn't matter what milk, by the way. Yes, so that's our potatoes still boiling. So now this is the Yorkshire pudding. So you just mix them all. So we've got there a cup of plain flour, 1 egg, a pinch of bicarbonate soda, and a cup of milk. Any milk will do, guys. It's up to you. And you just mix them well.
Just so it's enough. You'll know when it's right.
Yeah. Is it not so thick and not so thin, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just right.
Just like that.
Yeah. Nice.
Only takes a couple of minutes. Just like that.
Right.
Then we're going to butter the cake tin, aren't we?
Yeah.
Just so the mixture doesn't stick.
Right into the baking tin. If you're wondering, guys, the beef is in the oven now, and it's roasting, and that's our potato still boiling. When that boils, that will go together with our roast later on, and the veg we set it aside for now, which we have the parsnips and the carrots while we're doing the Yorkshire pudding.
So we just butter this because it's really difficult to clean else it's all stuck to it.
Yeah,
It scratches the tin. So this stops that from happening.
yeah.
Just like that.
Right, so you butter your baking pan, and then you can put the mixture.
You just pour it in like so.
Yeah. And then after, what's happening?
Well, that'll stay out now until 20 minutes before dinner.
Right, so that's the potato done. So we're gonna drain the water. How many potatoes is that, by the way?
5 small potatoes.
5 small potatoes. Because we're only 2 guys, so it's up to you how many potatoes you want. So you're gonna drain the water from the potato, and then we're gonna brown it into the pan.
Yeah, we're just gonna get some colour left from these beef juices. So we give them a shake first,
Yeah,
just to ruffle up the edges a bit.
yeah.
And then we add them to the remaining beef juice,
Right.
just so we can get a bit of colour on them before we add them to the beef itself.
Right.
You see the colouring on those?
Nice.
Just more tastier.
So that's the fat from the beef.
That's it. So when they're evenly covered, we're going to turn the heat off, pull out the beef, reduce the heat of
Yeah.
the beef.
That's our beef, guys. Look. And now we're gonna put the potatoes into our beef. We're gonna roast them together.
We roast them together now until they're done. What we parboiled earlier, just so they can get some of the beef stock. And this should be all now for about 40 minutes.
That's our beef ready. It's cooked now. This is after an hour.
Yeah, an hour and 15.
Hour and 15. And we've got that as well, roast potatoes and our roast parsnips. And now we're boiling the rest of the veg, which is the white cabbage and just white cabbage, is it? White cabbage and carrots as well. We're boiling them. Now we're gonna prepare the gravy. By the way, our Yorkshire pudding is in the oven now as well. So we put into the pan, we put gravy, which is a Besto, 4 teaspoons of Besto gravy.
Added to the juices of the meat.
Right.
2 oxo cubes.
Right. That's better, sounds better. Is that chicken Besto, is that?
Yeah, but any Besto will do.
Any chicken granules you can get.
Any gravy granules.
Any gravy granules, sorry. And then we put oxo as well. 2 cubes.
I always put 2 in, yeah. You can make gravy just with using corn flour, gravy brine and the juice of the meat, water from the vegetables and salt and pepper and oxo. That's the correct way to do it, but we're cheating by using gravy granules.
Yeah.
So you just want to sort of try and lift the meat juices from the bottom of the tin first, whilst adding a bit of water, just to try and lift it off the bottom. Just try and mix all that in. Let's put my apron on. So the more you heat it, you can feel the juices coming off the bottom of the tin. And little by little you just add a bit more water, preferably water from the vegetables, but any water will do. Add some pepper to this for more flavour. And what we do for more flavour is add the beef, what we're going to have on our plates. So this is the beef.
Nice.
Nicely cooked. We just do this for more flavour. Probably about right. We can reduce this heat now a little bit if we don't want it to start burning.
Nice.
These nice thick pieces of beef today.
But some people use some chicken for roast, don't they?
You can have anything for roast, as long you can have chicken, pork, lamb, beef, turkey, or a mixture, whatever you like.
But here in the UK, what's the traditional roast? Is it just beef?
Well, beef can be any one of those four. When I was young, we used to have different meats every week. So we'd have beef one week, then pork the next weekend, and then lamb the next weekend, and then chicken the weekend after that, and so on and so forth. Always turkey for Christmas.
Yeah. Any of you that's not aware, in the UK we always have like a Sunday roast, which is a tradition. Right now, I know in the States you only have the roast when it's Thanksgiving or it's Christmas, but here Sunday is always a roast day. That's why it's really good.
We're lucky to be able to have roast dinner, because some people don't. So while this is just slowly cooking, we can take a look at our Yorkshire pudding.
Check our Yorkshire pudding as well. Oh la la, look at that.
It's starting to rise now.
Nice.
So about another 10 minutes that will be done.
Okay. So now that's our roast potatoes done, and our parsnips, and our Yorkshire pudding. So we're now ready to plate up, and we're ready for our tea. Sorry, for our dinner.
Some people call it tea, some people call it dinner, don't they?
Yeah. But in the Philippines we call this lunch. But we call it here dinner in the UK, by the way. Next time I'll explain it in my videos. What's the difference between lunch, dinner, tea, and all that. I think I did already a bit in one of my videos explaining about tea. So yes, now we're plating up. That's our veg as well. That's the white cabbage and the carrots just boiled. And we've got the roast potatoes and the roast parsnips and Yorkshire pudding. And now we're just waiting for our beef to put into the plate. And that's us.
Well, if I put the beef on first.
Yeah, so that's our roast with our roast beef and with gravy, Yorkshire pudding, roast potatoes, roast parsnips, and boiled vegetables, which is white cabbage and carrots. So yes guys, so that's our roast dinner, and now we're just gonna put our gravy, and yes, we're gonna have our dinner now. So I'll see you in a bit. Let's eat. So that's our Sunday roast, guys. I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna eat mine now. You can see it's there. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday and be good, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next one. Thank you. Bye. Bye.